Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a cleaning routine, but this is not just any cleaning routine. This is the I don't feel like doing anything today cleaning routine. Now I know I'm not the only person on earth that feels this way, because there's a lot of people I talk to sometimes that say, I just don't have the energy today. I don't feel like getting up. I don't feel like cleaning. I'm tired. I feel lazy. I just have no interest in doing anything right now, especially not cleaning. I feel this way a lot of the times. Most of the time, I kind of have myself on just this robotic type routine where I wake up and do the same things every day, like pretty much the same things. I drink my coffee in the morning and then I start cleaning after that. And I totally don't mind that. Like, that's just something I like to get up and do every day. But there's some days, like today, where I literally do not feel like it. Let me just tell you really quick, it is Monday, it is 1:24. I just now put these clothes on just to record this video. So far today, I have drank my coffee and I ate some breakfast, and other than that, I've literally been sitting around playing on my phone and watching Netflix. I had no intentions on cleaning today because I'm feeling so tired and wore out and just like blah and lazy. But then I started thinking about the people out there who feel like this all the time, and maybe you needed just a little bit of inspiration. Maybe you needed someone to tell you that even on these days, you needs to get up and clean your home, girl. So this isn't going to be one of those super quick, fast-forwarded music playing in the background with a voice overlay type videos. This is going to be real life, and I'm going to be talking you through it and walking you through it. So my number one tip, I don't know why this works, but it works for me and it always makes me feel better. The first thing you should do after you've drank your coffee and you woke up and you did whatever else you had to do, make your bed. Had to get my little leg pillow out of there. There's something about making my bed first that sets a different tone for cleaning for me. It gets me in the mood, it gets me a little more energized, and it actually makes me want to clean. And it also stops me from getting back in the bed, which is what I really want to do right now. I would love nothing more than to get back in my bed and lay down and not move for the rest of the day. But you know what? A clean home is a happy home. And if you're a stay-at-home wife like me and you have a husband that works hard all day, I know one thing's for sure, that he would love to come home to a clean home. So ladies, get up and clean your house. Now, I'm not going to be doing any extreme cleaning today. This is, like I said, the I don't feel like cleaning routine. So I'm just going to show you some things you can do here and there that will help tidy up your home and make you feel a little bit better about the situation. One thing that I love to do when making my bed is to spray it down with a fabric refresher. So in this bottle here, I've showed you guys how to make it. I have water and Suavitel mixed. It just makes everything smell fresh and clean, and when you get in your bed at night, your sheets will smell like you just washed them, even if you didn't. Don't neglect washing your sheets. You should, but I'm just saying in between time when you haven't washed them, you can spray them down with this kind of mixture, and it smells fresh and clean and amazing. Did this make me want to clean my apartment? No, actually it didn't, but it did make me feel a lot better knowing that my bed is made. It doesn't take that long to make your bed, and it doesn't take that much effort, and once you're done, you're like, at least it looks a little nicer in here. Don't forget to pick up all your dirty clothes off the floor. Even if you're just gonna throw them in the basket, get them up off the floor. It would be best if you would start a load of clothes though, which is what I'm going to do, because you know what? If you don't do it now, it's going to pile up day after day after day, which I can honestly say that I do let happen sometimes. And you know what? It's so much nicer if you just get that load of clothes done, put it in the washer, put it in the dryer, fold those clothes and put them away. Because if you let them pile up day after day, you're just going to end up with a huge pile of clothes that is going to stress you out even more, having to do that big, huge pile of clothes. So do it little by little and get it over with. Another quick thing you can do is vacuum your floor. You probably need to vacuum it anyway, so go ahead and do it. Vacuuming is quick, it's easy, and it makes a huge difference, especially when you see them vacuum lines. Then you know that people can tell you cleaned your home today. And it makes you feel better as well. So, that only took me a few minutes and I'm done with my bedroom. So, as you know, I do own a broom, but I don't use it as often as I should because my entire apartment is a hardwood floor. If I was to sweep this entire floor, it would take me way too many hours and I really just don't have time for that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and use my handy dandy vacuum and vacuum my entire floor. Doesn't take that much effort and doesn't take that long. As you can see, that didn't take that long at all to vacuum this part, which is the entryway by the front door, which tends to collect a lot of grass and things like that. My second step, once you've vacuumed one area, go in with a mop. I am using a Swiffer here with the removable pads at the bottom. You can use whatever you like. I just find this easier and more convenient for me. Now you can judge me for this next step if you want to. But you say potato, I say potato. Most people when mopping would use a bucket and some water and some cleaning solution. I don't have time for a bucket, nor do I have room for a bucket. So instead, I have my cleaning solution in a spray bottle mixed with water. What's the difference in a bucket full of water and cleaning solution and a spray bottle filled with the same thing? This Swiffer actually has a place on here where you can put a bottle of their solution and then you press a button and it releases the solution from the bottom part here, but I've never bought a refill for it. I just like to use this. This is Mr. Clean, I think. So I'll show you how I do it. Might be a little hard because I'm holding the camera, but we'll see. So what I do, I spray and mop. Now, if needed, I will get down on my hands and knees and hand scrub. But if I'm feeling tired and lazy and I just want to do this quick, this is how I do it. Then I go ahead and repeat the same process on the rest of my floor. So wherever there is hardwood, I'm going to vacuum. Where there's rug, I'm going to vacuum. It's super easy and it can be done quickly. Oh my God, you guys. Bigfoot has been in the apartment and he obviously only has 1 foot. I'm scared. Another quick, easy, and simple thing to do to tidy up your home. Throw your garbage away. My husband and I leave cans and bottles sitting around all over sometimes, so grab you a garbage bag and throw your garbage away. Another thing, don't leave your dishes in the sink. So here I made my oatmeal and I was being lazy letting it soak. So now I've got to clean this up and I'm going to throw it in my dishwasher. So even though I did not feel like doing that just now, I did it within seconds and then I wiped out my sink a little bit Did a little rinsing. And you know what? I'm feeling better about it already. Didn't feel like doing it, but I'm glad I did. Another thing you can do is wipe down your countertops quick. It only takes a few seconds. Literally a few seconds. Doesn't require much scrubbing, especially if your kitchen's already clean. If your kitchen's not clean, now that's a whole nother story. My kitchen's already clean, but I like to wipe off my counters every day just to make sure it's super clean. I'm just kind of going in between stuff right now, not moving anything because I already cleaned the kitchen yesterday. So it doesn't need a deep scrub. I just want to wipe off the cabinets quickly so I can move on. I also like to wipe off the front of the dishwasher, the icebox, and the microwave. It's just something that literally takes a few seconds and then you're done. Not a big deal. You can also do these same things to your bathroom countertops. It also doesn't hurt to go through your home quickly with your fabric refresher and spray your curtains, couch, futon, blankets, throw pillows, whatever you have. It only takes a second or two. Remember that piled up laundry I was telling you about? It's time to start mine. One last thing I like to do is go throughout my home and spray some air freshener. Because even if you didn't clean that much, it might smell like you did. Okay, so I'm officially done cleaning, and now all I have to do is wait for my clothes to get done in the washer so I can throw them in the dryer, and then unfortunately I will have to fold them. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't do a deep clean today. I actually didn't even clean that much in my opinion because it's just one of those days where I literally don't want to do anything. Like, I would rather just lay on the floor and do nothing. I just feel tired and exhausted, and yeah, I just didn't feel like doing anything. But I figured I would share that with y'all because on these days when I feel that way, this is the kind of cleaning that I do. Make your bed, vacuum, do a little mopping, wipe off your countertops. Even if you don't feel like cleaning, you can still do those little things and it makes a huge difference. And it makes you feel good about yourself. Plus, if you have any like uninvited, you know, surprise guests that just decide to pop up at your door, you'll be happy that you did the few things that you did really quickly. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Let me know if you liked this video. I don't know, did you like it? I mean, maybe you did, maybe you didn't. I actually didn't even feel like filming today, but I thought it would be a good video for somebody out there. Maybe you needed something like this. And also, just so you know, all of this would have been a lot quicker had I not been filming. Like, I could have done all this way quicker if I wasn't having to move the camera and the tripod around. So yeah, it actually doesn't even take that long and it doesn't even take that much effort. So yeah, okay, I'll see you next time.